Hello, Clearborough, North Dallas, 2025 Expedition. Gloss paint is the original color. The Xpel Stealth Film is what went over this to make it a satin, or some people refer to it as a matte black. But nevertheless, gloss paint is what's the color. There you go on the interior, your door jambs and your framing. And the film goes over the exterior and we wrap it around all the edges. Let's take a look, starting up here. I will start here. You'll see all the edges around your A-pillars, all under the doors, all the way down. Your seat or your badges will be removed. Everything gets done nicely. You'll see all that. The door handles come out. Everything's perfect. Everything goes in very nice. All the edges here, fully wrapped around. Hood's nice and free from any debris. All your tips are wrapped in. Everything's fully done. All your edges fully wrapped. Rooftop fully done, wrapped into the windshield area. This A-pillar fully done all the way back, inside and out. So we run it in the car and we run it up top. Everything looks fantastic. All your doors, much more the same as the other side, fully wrapped in the moldings. Under the door handles, all one piece. All four edges of the door wrapped underneath. Quarter panel wrapped under this molding. Taillights come out, so we get a nice clean install here. Tailgate, a couple things come off there, including the plate, obviously, and the badge, so we don't have any lines. So, big car, easy to talk about, but fully wrapped, ceramic coating over the PPF, and there it is. ClearboroughNorthDallas.com is who we are. 10-year written guarantees on the PPF, lifetime on the window film. Ceramics run anywhere from 1 to 7 year guarantees, and that's about it. So ClearboroughNorthDallas.com, ClearboroughNorthDallas@gmail to get a hold of us. I'm Brent, 214-414-3809. Cell 940-703-8301. Thanks for watching.